Those reactions in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance are called combination reactions. In a combination reaction, two or more elements can combine to form a compound. Two or more compounds can combine to form a new compound, or an element and a compound can combine to form a new compound. We will now give some examples of combination reactions. स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसी रिएक्शंस जिसमें दो या उससे ज़्यादा सब्सटेंसेस कंबाइन करके एक नए सब्सटेंस बनाता है, उसे हम कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन कहते हैं. कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शंस किसी भी दो एलिमेंट्स को कंबाइन करके भी बन सकती है. दो या उससे ज़्यादा एलिमेंट्स को कंबाइन करके कंपाउंड का फॉर्मेशन करें. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. इफ टू और मोर कंपाउंड्स आर कंबाइनिंग, एक या उससे ज़्यादा कंपाउंड्स कंबाइन हो रहे हैं और नए कंपाउंड्स का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, देन इट इज ऑल्सो अ कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. और एन एलिमेंट and a compound are combining to form a new compound. This is also a combination reaction. So here are some examples for the same. Example 1. Magnesium and oxygen combines when heated to form magnesium oxide. In this reaction, two elements, magnesium and oxygen, both are combining to form a single compound, which is magnesium oxide. So this is a combination reaction. Thus, when we burn a magnesium ribbon in air, then a combination reaction takes place with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Example 2. Calcium oxide, which is also known as lime or quicklime, reacts vigorously with water to form calcium hydroxide, which is known as slaked lime. This is a combination reaction in which two compounds, that is calcium oxide and water, combine to form a single compound known as calcium hydroxide. A large amount of heat is released when calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide or slaked lime. Please note that it is a solid calcium hydroxide which is known as slaked lime. Slaked lime is a white powder. The substances which we use for whitewashing our house is lime, which is calcium oxide. Students, when we whitewash our house, what we do is we take calcium oxide in a drum and just add water to it very slowly. धीरे धीरे उसमें पानी ऐड करते जाएंगे and after some time, so what will happen, this calcium oxide will react with water vigorously. जैसे ही हमने पानी डाला कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड के अंदर, वैसे ही कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड पानी से बहुत ही vigorously, बहुत ही फटाफट से react करके it will result into a formation of a white solid called calcium hydroxide, or we can say it as slaked lime with the evolution of heat. और इस रिएक्शन के टाइम पे बहुत सारी हीट जो होगी वो लिबरेट होगी. एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड earlier that this reaction is exothermic reaction because lot of heat is released during this reaction. More water is then added to get calcium hydroxide solution. When this calcium oxide and water reacts together, it results into a formation of a calcium hydroxide और ये कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का जो सोल्यूशन होता है स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज अप्लाइड टू योर वॉल्स एट योर house with the help of a brush. So students, when you paint your house walls with calcium hydroxide, this calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with the carbon dioxide gas present in the air to form a thin shiny layer of calcium carbonate on the walls of the house. Since this process gives a white shiny appearance to the wall of a house, it is called whitewashing. The calcium carbonate is actually formed after 2 to 3 days of whitewashing and gives a shiny finish to the walls. Another example, that is carbon monoxide react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. In this reaction, carbon monoxide compounds reacts with oxygen element to form a new compound, carbon dioxide. So, this is a combination